Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable VBS Virtualization-Based Security in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer has completely loaded up and you're on your desktop. Once your PC is ready and you can see everything clearly, you're good to proceed with the next steps. Now direct your attention to the Windows Start menu, which you'll find located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Once it opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings menu, which is your central hub for configuring various system options and features. Once the Settings window appears, look for and click on the Update and Security option. This section contains important security and update configurations for your system. After clicking it, you'll notice a left-hand menu with several options. From this menu, click on Windows Security. This is where Windows centralizes all its security features and settings, giving you control over how your system is protected. Under the Windows Security menu, you'll see an option labeled Device Security. Click on it to proceed. This action will open a new Windows security window that focuses specifically on hardware-based security features built into your system. These features are designed to provide additional layers of protection, but sometimes you may need to disable them for compatibility or performance reasons. Within this new window, you'll prominently see an option called Core Isolation Details. Click on it to access the specific settings related to virtualization-based security. This will bring up a menu where you can control how your system uses hardware virtualization to protect critical parts of Windows. Now here's the key step. You'll see a toggle button labeled Memory Integrity. This is your VBS Virtualization-Based Security feature. Make sure this toggle is turned off. When it's off, you've successfully disabled virtualization-based security on your Windows 11 system. This feature uses hardware virtualization to create isolated regions of memory, but disabling it can improve compatibility with certain applications or drivers that may not work properly with VBS enabled. And that's it! You've successfully disabled VBS Virtualization-Based Security in Windows 11, giving you more control over how your system handles security features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.